are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Jules World. Let's go ahead and get right into our project, guys. So today we're going to be making a DIY no-sew fabric file folder. The first thing you're going to need, guys, is scrapbooking paper, and you're going to need like 4 of the 12 by 12 scrapbooking paper, and you're going to need to cut it down to 12 inch by 11 inch, okay? The 11 section, guys, you're going to score it at 2 inch. And then we're going to fold that scoring line. So you should have 4 12 by 11 inch, as well as 4 of them score at 2 inch. Now you're gonna need 2 more scrapbooking paper that measures 12 inch by 7 inch. On the 7th inch section, you're going to score at 1 inch and then at 3 inch, okay? This is how it's gonna look, guys. So you're gonna need 2 of these, okay? You're gonna pull the scoring line through. All right, so you should have 2 of those. You're gonna need 2 more scrapbooking paper that measures 8 3/4 of an inch by 8 inch. You'll need 2 of those, and we are gonna be scoring these. And so let me get my scoring board so I can show you how to score this one specifically. At the 8 inch section, we are going to be scoring at 1/2 inch. Then you're gonna score at 1 inch. Then you're gonna score at 1.5 inch, 2 inch, 2.5 inch, and you keep on going. Every 1/2 inch, you keep going until you fill the paper up, okay, guys? It should now look like that, okay? You're gonna need to do it to 2 of them, so I might as well go ahead and do this one. Put that aside. Now you need 1 more scrapbooking paper, guys, and this is for the strap closure, and it's going to measure 11 inch by 1.5 inch. Let's go ahead and put this together, guys. First thing we're going to do is putting our 4 12 by 11 inch scrapbooking paper together. So let's go ahead and put those 2 together. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to need some glue. Glue this down, make sure that it doesn't go over that scoring line, guys, okay? It'll look like this now. So go ahead and do that to both of these, okay? Once you're finished doing both of these, it should now look like that. Let's go ahead and get our other scrapbooking paper. The one that measures 12 inch by 7 inch, we're gonna get that. And then we're gonna be attaching it to these as well. On your right side, the top of the 12 inch by 11 inch, be attaching where the 1 inch section, guys, you're gonna put it right there. Place it down right there. Make sure it doesn't go over that scoring line, guys. You're gonna do the same thing for both of them. This should now look like this. Just go ahead and corner punch these. All right, I have this already punched, these ends, and you're gonna do the same thing for this one and this one as well. All right, guys, so you should have 2 of them looking like this. The next step is we're gonna put some fabric on these. Let's go ahead and cover all of these with fabric. And then once you finish covering that all with fabric, I did this step ahead of time. Now it should look like this, guys, okay? Every single one of them. So you should have 2 based. That looks like this, that's covered in fabric. This is the outside base. This is what I'm gonna use for that. Outside base is the inside base. It should look like that, guys. And then your accordion should be covered in fabric as well. And when you finish covering in fabric, all you gotta do is follow those scoring lines. First time you score it, make sure this is sitting at the top, okay? Let's just do it this way. And just going down that way. And then going like that. You want the fabric, the beautiful fabric to be showing, not the back of this, okay? So that's the direction you're gonna be folding it in like this. Let me show you. Have both of them looking like this, guys. Let's go ahead and glue all this together, guys. I'm gonna be putting these two bays together. Center of this, I just sprayed all the way here. Just here. You don't have to focus on the end, guys. You don't have to spray the end. Just spray in the center right here with your adhesive spray. Or you can use glue, or you can use double-sided tape, whatever you want. I find that adhesive, I feel like it'll lock it in even better. That's just my opinion, guys, but you can use glue and you can use double-sided tape if you want. And then you're gonna spray just the whole entire center. You don't have to focus on the end, guys, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna glue the end with fabric glue, or you can do it with your glue gun as well, okay? Once again, spray, adhesive spray all in the center there, guys, and then we're gonna put this on top of there, okay? And then we'll get to the next step. It should now look like this, guys, all sprayed. Should have now like open section in the outer layer, and fill this up with glue, open all the way around where you can be able to fill those corners, guys, okay? So the whole thing should be looking like that, guys. Use fabric glue, guys, or you can use your glue gun, your choice. For this one, I'm going to use a fabric glue. This is pretty strong, so I like this, and it's a cleaner finish too. I'll just start with this end first here. Just get it all on top of the fabric, guys. Just keep it on the fabric. You don't have to keep it on the scrapbooking paper. Just keep it on the fabric. And then that's all that matters anyway, because that's what's going to be locking in. Now it should look like that, guys. Okay? And you're going to be doing that for the whole entire thing all the way around, guys. All right, my YouTubers, you guys should have your base, the front and the back base, all glued down in place, guys, okay? Should now be nice and flat. If you see any ends that's sticking out, guys, that seem like it needs more glue, just add some to it, guys. Okay, like that. And go ahead and just fill those corner lines through. Okay. That's how it should look, guys. Okay, so once we finish with that, guys, let's go ahead to the next step. So we're going to be doing our accordion, and we're going to have to remark these so we can put our dividers in there. Just did this as a sample. I just want to show you this is what we're going to be where we're going to be marking it. Inside of it, you're going to mark right here. The third, 1, 2, 3, you mark right there. Then you skip that again, then you mark there. Then you skip this one here, and then you mark there. You skip right here, and then you mark there. You skip there, mark there, skip that, mark there, and that should be it. You should only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 marks, okay? And that's what you're gonna be doing for both of these, guys, okay? And then after you finish with that, guys, we're gonna be putting double-sided tape and put it in those spots that we marked, the whole strip all the way down, like that. And if you want, you can double it up, guys, but one was enough. Put it down those strips. Every part that we mark, we're gonna put strips of double-sided tape all the way down there, guys, for both of these, guys. And then we're gonna get our dividers. We need 7 of them, and these dividers measures 11.5 inch by 8 3/4 of an inch. You're gonna need 7 of those. Go ahead and put your double-sided tape on your accordion. Now that we put our double-sided tape in there, one tip I'm going to have for you guys, if you are using double-sided tape, I just wanted you to know, start to take the top part layer off in the middle first, then in the fabric. The double-sided tape, it sticks better on the scrapbooking paper better than it does the fabric. You don't have a stronger stickiness to it when it comes to the fabric. So it's best to start in the middle there and then pull it apart. from the middle instead of the end, and just pull it off from there. I hope that makes sense. I'm trying to bring this stuff with clarity, guys, so you guys understand. Okay, once we finish, guys, we're gonna be putting our divider in place. Those places that we mark, start putting dividers in between that. You know, and let it sit. Don't let it get too close to the scoring line. Okay, and that's how it should look. And so you're gonna be doing the same thing for the rest of them, guys. Just keep on putting your dividers in there. Okay. Okay, and then, like you said, you keep on going until you fill this whole thing up. Okay, guys, you should now have one section done. It should now look like that. I had to do the other section, and the reason why I haven't finished this, I want to show you. Make sure it lines up with this side too. Okay, whatever end you put it on. This one has, see this one here? Has 1, 2, 3 section that's not fill at all. And then you want the same thing for this section too. The 1, 2, 3 section that's not filled, you want to face it this way too. They both have to be in alignment, okay? That makes sense, guys. So make sure that happens. Okay, guys, it should now look like that. See if this section has a little bit more extra at the end. That's how you want it to do, and this one doesn't. And you want it to line up like that, guys. Let's go ahead and position this on our base, okay? So the part that has the 1, 2, 3 extra, we are going to be placing that down, facing this way like that, okay? Up like that, because we're going to be putting that extra paper in the back there. So I'll show you afterwards, but let's go ahead and make sure you guys stay away from the scoring lines. Maybe it's going to be fold over like that. All right. You can use your glue gun, or you can still use fabric glue. Go ahead and glue this down, guys, in place. I'm going to make sure I get to a closer view so you guys can see. And make sure you fill it up really good. We're gonna stick this down in place, guys. So make sure it's not sitting on those scoring lines. So you can close it up when you do that. And you can close this one up too as well. All right? And press down there really good, guys. All right? That should look good. Now it should line up, guys, okay? First, okay, paper liners, you can get those and just set that all up. Repeat the step for the other side as well, guys, okay? And then we get to our next step. All right, guys, I have one side already finished, and it looks like this so far. And then we're gonna be doing the same thing for the other side, okay? So go ahead and just flip that over on this side, and then you can glue it down on that side, okay? Guys, with the last one, just make sure you can tuck your hands underneath here and kind of push it out. Push it out like that, guys, okay? When you glue this the last one down. It can be tedious at times, but it works. Just push your hands inside of there and kind of give it a little boost and push it out, and then line it up, guys, okay? And that's what I did for that one, just to let you guys know. And then you press down on that. Now it should look like that, guys. Okay, and that last this last one we're gonna put in the back here. Put it right back here. You don't have to, but it just fits. I think it fits better. I'm gonna glue that in place. We can glue it down right in the corner there, right there. So go ahead and get yourself some double-sided tape and put it on this end here, and then on this end here. And then you can put it inside of here, guys. Let me finish up and then we get to the next step. Okay, guys. You should now have your dividers all in position, guys. Okay, and then the paper back here as well. Okay, now it should look like that. So next step, guys, you're gonna need some Velcro. So get yourself about 3 inch, and then we're gonna be putting this in place, guys. About 3 inch from the top, and make sure you center it, guys, because this is 12 inch, so it's gonna be 6 inch when you center it. And then you're gonna do the same thing for this one here on the top. You're gonna center it. There, we're gonna be putting it. Go ahead and put our Velcro on. With the Velcro, this time I think I'm gonna use the glue, the hot glue, just to set this in place, guys. Now you should have the Velcro in place, guys, okay? It should look like that now. All right, now we're gonna close it up. Look how pretty that is, guys. So pretty. Looks great. All right, so let's go ahead and put our strap there, guys. I'll put it upwards so you guys can see. And for the strap closure, I end up with some scrapbooking paper in the back of it. I say about 2 inch. Guys, we're gonna fold, kind of fold it like that. Okay, do the same thing, about a 2 inch in. 2 inch. It's gonna sit like that, guys. Okay, and then once again, we gotta find the center of this. Find your center, and then once you find your center, guys, okay, it's gonna sit like that. And you guys go ahead and put that in place. Go ahead and get your glue gun and glue that down, and then we're finished. Hey guys, and we are finished. Looks beautiful, guys. I love it. Ta-da! Yay! Beautiful fabric file folder, and you can make tons of these, guys, and target different things. They're finished, and once again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, thumbs up this video, guys. Please thumbs it up and share. And if you have any questions, please comment below, and you will definitely see me in my next video. Bye, my YouTubers.